Myself Vikram Jena, presently working as Inspector of Police, and I am father of Dwipayan Jena. I am a government servant. During the COVID lockdown period, my kid Dwipayan was very much exhausted in studying, and he was doing nothing except studying. He was sitting at home. He had a keen interest towards space and research. When I got to know that Young Tinker Academy is providing learning on space and research, I thought it is a golden opportunity to enroll him in the Young Tinkers Academy to get an opportunity and to flourish himself. And I found the mentors and members of Young Tinkers Academy are very supportive, very friendly and very helpful. They are brilliant minded people and they have shared their ideas with my child, for which I and my family members, friends and relatives are very much proud for his success.